and gents, I am Jaylyn Renee. Welcome back to my channel. Today's upload is going to be a fragrance review. I'm going to be reviewing two fragrances that I have recently picked up that were legit like so random. Let me just first say, if you have not joined the JLUXE gang, make sure you do so by clicking that big red subscribe button down below. That way you don't miss an upload from me, and also become a part of the sisterhood that we have building here. So the other day I was scrolling through Ulta. You guys know I absolutely love Ulta. And when I get like a craving to go shopping, or I've hit a particular goal, I always like to go there and browse to see if I can find something to treat myself. So I've really been on this thing of, you know, setting goals, hitting that goal, and then treating myself, because I'm one of those girls that will run to the store as soon as I see something that I want and buy it, which nothing is wrong with that. But I think I'm kind of at a phase right now in my life where I just want to kind of work my muscle memory of setting a goal, accomplishing that goal, and then treating myself. So that's where I am. So anyway, I accomplished the goal and I just wanted to treat myself. So I ran to Ulta, and of course I started at the perfume section. And guys, let me just say, I am not one of those girls who particularly follow the Kardashians. Like, obviously they're really popular, they have made a name for themselves, but I'm just not a person that's really like, I'll keep it cute, I'll keep it nice. I'm just not a person that is like, oh my god, the Kardashians, you know what I mean? If I saw one of the Kardashians on the street, it really wouldn't mean anything to me, and I'm just being honest. When they release new products and stuff, I'm not following that. Like, I honestly don't care. And first of all, as long as Beyonce and Nicki Minaj is on this planet, I really don't care. Okay, but I did see that my Ulta in particular had shelf space for their fragrances, which I don't know if I just never paid attention, but I've never actually seen their fragrances available in the store. So I was kind of like, oh, cool. Now, I am a packaging person. If you have not been following me, make sure you're following me now. But yeah, I'm a packaging person. I will literally buy a product because the packaging is nice. Like, that's just me. So I saw Kylie Jenner's Nude Lips. Now, when I went to the website later on, I realized that there are 4 fragrances a part of the Kylie Jenner collection in the KKW fragrance. So let me explain that first. KKW fragrance has different collections, right? So I think she pays homage to all of the sisters. I'm thinking she does. Honestly, guys, I'm not sure, but I know that Kylie has a collection. I know that Kendall has a collection. I don't know about the other 2. But the first one that I smelled was out of the Kylie collection, and it is Nude Lips. And as you can see, it is right here on my perfume tray that I need to buy another one because this one is completely full now. But let me grab her. Here she is. Guys, when I saw these lips, I was like, okay, I absolutely have to smell it. First of all, the packaging is so bomb. I love how big the lips are. Like, I just love that. And yeah, I was like, if anything, this would be cute on my vanity, but I'm definitely not gonna purchase it just because the packaging is cute. I have to see what it smells like. So looking on the KKW fragrance website, Nude Lips, which is this pretty baby here, is a vanilla amber musk. So I 100% agree with that, and you guys know that this captivated me because of the musk. You guys know I'm a musk girl. So in the opening, it has Solar Spices and Lily of the Valley. So I thought that was really cute and luxurious. I think that's where that luxurious smell comes from with this fragrance. In the heart of the spray, it's Nude Magnolia, Jasmine, and Peony. And then in the finish is a Tahitian Vanilla, Vibrant Amber, and Musk. Guys, I literally wore this fragrance 3 days straight when I first bought it. And I'm talking about in the morning when I was getting dressed, and also to bed. This is such a sexy smell to wear to bed, especially when you snuggling up against babe and you want to smell good. This is such a good one. It's so dreamy, and the vanilla in it is just so, it just bursts of vanilla, but it's sexy vanilla. It's not overwhelming. It's just light and delicate, but it's really a strong heavy hitter. And you guys know fragrances that I gravitate towards too are very strong. They have to last all day. I want people to smell me when they walk past me, and this one checks off those boxes. And the best part about it is it's 40 bucks, guys. Honestly, I particularly think a lot of the stuff the Kardashians do is cheap and overpriced. I'm just being real. But one thing that they got right are these fragrances, and Kim in particular, because it is her fragrance line. So I actually haven't put any fragrance on today. So this is going to be my fragrance for today, and I'm just going to go ahead and spray it on me. It's just, it smells so good, guys. I don't even know what else to say. Like, it is literally a dream fragrance, and I love the packaging and I love the price on it. Like, I am not even gonna kid you. So yes, KKW fragrance, Nude Lips by Kylie. Now I am interested in the other fragrances a part of the Kylie collection. So let me just go back, because all of the fragrances in her collection are shaped in like these lips. So she has, so there are three fragrances out of the Kylie Jenner collection, the lip collection. So let's see. She has red lips, she has pink lips, and she has the nude lips, which is what I got. I probably am gonna go ahead and order the pink lips and also the red lips, just so I can have the entire set. But overall, I'm 100% impressed by this heavy hitter right here, guys. So definitely go pick it up. So also during that trip, guys, I saw this beautiful perfume bottle. I mean, the packaging is top tier. Like, it's literally the packaging for me. Again, another one of KKW fragrances. It is by Kim Kardashian herself, KKW Body 2. Guys, wait till you see this packaging. I'm just about to go open it now, because wow. So here's my cutesy box. First of all, look how luxe and like designer quality this box is. Like, look at this. I'm 100% impressed. The box is really durable. I don't want to throw the box away, to be honest, but I also do want to display the fragrance. But the box is like so dope. It's so dope. And it has like the KKW emblem on it. And the way you open it, I think there's multiple ways you open it, but I'm gonna open it this way. And then once you get the string off, I just pull the top up and then pull it down. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all, I mean, look at this. You cannot tell me this doesn't look extremely high-end designer luxury quality. So bomb. Let's just give a moment for this gorgeous packaging. Look at the booty. Come through, booty. I'm guessing this is definitely like a replica of her personal body shape. I'm sure that's the inspiration they were getting from. But guys, even the bottle is like matte. It has that luxury matte texture to it. I mean, I'm just 100% impressed. Like, gorgeous. First of all, this screams feminine to me. Like, I just absolutely adore how gorgeous this is. And when I first went to Ulta, on that first trip to Ulta, this was actually sold out at my Ulta, but then of course it got in stock and I ran to the store to get it. So let's go ahead and go over the notes in this baby. So KKW Body 2 is a sparkling beachy floral. The top notes are mandarin, fresh coconut water, and nerali. I believe I pronounced that right. The middle is solar orange blossom, jasmine abs, yang yang, and muani. And then the base is creamy coconut milk, warm ambernette seed, and also musk. Listen, if you come to my channel to watch fragrance videos, just be prepared to have most of the fragrance have some musk in it, okay? I'm just letting you know. For me, when I first sprayed this fragrance, I felt like I was in a garden room. Like, I just felt like I was I felt like I was in the sweetest part of nature. Like, literally, it gave me those vibes, and I am obsessed with this. Now, I must say this is the most unique scent that I have in my collection by far. It is really unique, and I think, and that might be just the way my body chemistry in particular is with it, but I am absolutely obsessed. Like, this is a scent that I would wear to a botanical garden. This is a scent I would wear at a picnic. This is a scent I would wear to like a high class fancy restaurant that's maybe garden based. Like, there's a restaurant, there's a ton of restaurants here in Atlanta that do like the garden landscape and stuff. I would definitely wear this to those types of places. It is just such a powerful feminine scent. This is a feminine scent. If you get invited to speak at a panel, baby, this is the scent that you would wear. It is so, like, it just, for me, from the packaging to the top notes, the middle notes, the base notes, it just signifies femininity to me. I don't know, looking at it, I just see strong woman, like strong, determined woman. Like, that's what I get. Those are the vibes I get from this. And guys, it's $40. Now let me go. For $60? Are you kidding me? Run and go get this. I really think that if you are looking for a unique fragrance, something that's not necessarily the same fragrance that you have in your collection, if you want something completely different, this is your pickup, guys. And it's gonna look absolutely beautiful. I mean, you can literally use this as decor in your house. Like, it's gorgeous. And you know, this whole body shape, body mold thing is definitely on trend, but nonetheless, it's a great pickup to add to your collection. So yeah, guys, let me know if you plan on adding these two babies to your collection. I would absolutely love to know if you do. Comment down below. Please let me know. Let me know if you like them. Let me know if you hate them. fill me in. Do you have any of these? I know there is a body 2, there's a body 3 of this that I'm probably gonna also pick up, and then like I said before, I definitely do want to pick up the other 2 lips to Kylie's collection. But overall, I'm obsessed, and I absolutely had to share it with you guys. If you're somebody like me who doesn't really follow the Kardashian, girl, let me tell you this, these fragrances are something you may want to reconsider picking up, or not. You know, it is what it is. But thank you guys so much for tuning in with me today. I highly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.